If you want to make your LibreOffice Calc spreadsheets more interactive, one of the most useful things you can add is a combo box. A combo box lets you create a drop-down style field right inside your sheet, which is perfect for choosing names, categories, status options, or any list-based input. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a combo box in LibreOffice Calc step by step, even if you've never used form controls before. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Alright, let's jump into LibreOffice Calc. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from the home screen, look to the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet open, you can use that one instead. This works the same way either way, so choose whichever is easier for you. Once your spreadsheet is open, go up to the top menu and click View. From the View menu, move down to Toolbars, then turn on Form Controls. This is the toolbar that gives you access to interactive elements like buttons, checkboxes, and combo boxes. If the toolbar doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Just make sure it is enabled so you can see the form control tools on your screen. Now look for the Form Controls toolbar. On that toolbar, you'll want to turn on Design Mode. Design mode is important because it allows you to place and edit controls on the sheet before they become interactive. If design mode is not on, you may not be able to position or configure the combo box properly, so go ahead and click it to activate it. With design mode enabled, find the combo box icon on the toolbar and click it. This tells LibreOffice that you want to insert a combo box into the sheet. After that, move your mouse to the area of the spreadsheet where you want the combo box to appear. Click and drag to draw the combo box at the size you want. You can make it small or wide depending on how much space you need for your drop-down field. After placing the combo box, the next step is to configure it. Right-click the combo box and choose Control Properties. This opens the Properties window where you can customize how the combo box behaves. Here, you can add your list items manually or connect the combo box to a data source if your spreadsheet needs something more advanced. For most simple uses, entering list values is usually enough. This is useful if you want users to pick from a fixed set of options without typing them in by hand. Take a moment to review the properties and make sure everything is set the way you want. If you need to adjust the behavior, spacing, or list source, this is the place to do it. Once you've finished editing the settings, you can close the properties window. Now comes the final step. Go back to the Form Controls toolbar and turn off Design Mode. This is what makes the combo box usable in your spreadsheet. Once Design Mode is off, the control will act like a drop-down field that you or other users can click and select from. And just like that, your combo box is added to LibreOffice Calc and ready to use. This is a really handy feature if you want to make forms, trackers, dashboards, or input sheets look cleaner and work more efficiently. Instead of typing the same values again and again, a combo box gives you a simple drop-down selection right inside the spreadsheet. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.